In this video, you will learn how to create a new button on the soft remote of the Tecla app. You will need your target device and the Tecla app installed. For the purpose of this video, we are using an iPad with a single switch and auto scanning enabled. The soft remote will be used to create buttons that you can use to trigger an activity. You can create a button to trigger basic phone commands like a phone call, a text message, or email, as well as trigger activities on your Logitech Harmony Hub, Amazon Alexa, or with IFTTT devices. To create a button, first open the Tecla app on your device. If you are not on the remote screen, click on the menu icon on the top right corner and select Remote. On the remote, there are 3 pages where you can add buttons. To create a button on the first page, make sure page number 1 is selected. On the bottom of the screen, you will see a button with a lock. This will unlock your remote to be able to add, delete, and make changes to your remote buttons. Once you have unlocked the remote, click on the plus icon to add a new button. A new window will open with the multiple options of buttons you can create. To create a button to call a contact, click on Call Contact option on the screen under the Featured or Call Management buttons. This will open a screen with your contact numbers. Select the person you want to call when this button is selected. In the Summary window, you have the option of testing the button or select Finish to finalize the button. When you press Finish, you will see the button you just created on the soft remote screen. If you want to email or text someone with a template message, you can also create an activity for doing this on the soft remote. To create a template text message, press the plus button and select Message Contact. The app will prompt you to select the contact you are texting. If your contact has multiple numbers, make sure you select the correct number you want to text. After the selection, you can write the template message you want to send every time you press the button. When you're done typing your message, press Next or the Continue button to finish your button. In this video, you learned how to unlock the soft remote to make changes and create a button on the soft remote. Now you can start creating buttons on your Tecla app. For additional settings or recommended configurations, please visit our support page at gettecla.com.